Hello guys, we are back again. So this video is basically for the folks who are interested in finance, who want to be calculative, who want to play with numbers, I guess you. So in this video, we will talk about the career path and roles in finance, the placement statistics, salaries and certification and educational pathways. So let's get started. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any important update regarding course, college and exam. Do check out the link in the description. So what is finance management? Finance management is basically managing individuals or companies' financial health. So yeah, correct. Professionals का काम होता है financials को analyze करके investment decisions बनाना और risk management करना, एक strategic decision बनाना. This field spans various sectors including corporate finance, insurance, banking and fintech. So let's talk about key career path and roles. So बात करते हैं financial analyst. What is the work of financial analyst? Financial analyst क्या करता है? Finance किसी भी कंपनी के फाइनेंस को एनालाइज करके वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के डिसीजंस लेने में सपोर्ट करता है, बेसिकली बजट फोरकास्टिंग करने में हेल्प करता है, ठीक है, आपके मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज को बनाने में सपोर्ट करता है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द सैलरी पार्ट, द स्टार्टिंग सैलरी ऑफ अ फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट is approximately between 5 to 7 LPA. If you talk about the mid-level salary, it's approximately 10 to 15 LPA. Now, if we talk about the top recruiting companies like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, JP Morgan, there are XYZ more companies in the market which hire for the financial analyst. Now, if we talk about the demand part, yes, the scope of financial analyst is growing and we are expecting that it will grow to approximately 6 to 8% in the near future, just because of the high demand of the data-driven decision-making skills is required by the companies nowadays. So next is investment banker. So investment banker companies को capital raise करने में help करता है. If we move further, they basically deal with mergers and acquisition and also company को financial strategies बनाने में support करता है. Apart from that, if we talk about the starting salary, it is approximately 10 to 15 LPA, and for the mid level it is 25 LPA, and if you are at a top level you can also expect 40 LPA, and for a senior level it is approximately 50 LPA, which can even go further depending upon your skill set and experience. Apart from that, अगर आप देखोगे the top recruiting companies for the investment banker such as ICICI Bank and your HDFC Bank, ICICI Security, Citi, Axis, etc. There are XYZ so many companies in the market. And if we talk about the demand part, yes, there's a huge scope in investment banker. We are expecting in the next 5 years, the demand might grow to up to 5%. Apart from that, the states in which you can get the good opportunity in the investment banking career, it's such as Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai. So if you are looking for a career in investment banker, then you can refer to these companies or to these cities. So our next is financial planner और advisor. So financial planner की अगर हम बात करें तो ये basically wealth management, investment planning, retirement planning का advice देता है to a individual level to clients. So if we talk about the salary part, तो its starting salary you can expect 4 to 6 lakh per annum. For the mid-level, you can expect approximately 10 to 15 LPA. Apart from that, if you talk about the top recruiting companies, then you can refer to Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Securities. There are XYZ many top recruiting companies in the market. If you talk about the demand part, yes, you can have a great future as an investment provider or investment एडवाइजर. वाई सो? बिकॉज जैसे आपको पता है आज की डेट में यंगर पॉपुलेशन के अंदर there is a huge rise in the wealth management, financial planning के ऊपर there is a rise. You can expect कि इसका demand market में annually 10% से grow करने का we are projecting right now. चलिए बात करते हैं रिस्क मैनेजर की। तो रिस्क मैनेजर तो नाम से ही आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हो कि जो फाइनेंशियल रिस्क को आइडेंटिफाई करता है। Correct. It includes your regulatory changes, operational issues, and then strategize the mitigation plan. If we talk about the salary part, then as a starting salary, you can expect 8 to 10 LPA. As a mid-level, you can expect approximately 15 to 18 LPA. And as a senior level, you can expect approximately 20 to 25 LPA. If we talk about the top recruiting companies, so we can include your Tata AIG, ICICI Lombard, your PwC, SBI and Deloitte. There are many more top recruiting companies. Rest, अगर हम demand की बात करें तो yes, its demand is increasing as per regulatory compliances and we could say the increasing risk management into the market. We can say कि आपका risk manager की demand market में बहुत ज़्यादा increase हो गई है. Specifically insurance, fintech and corporate sector में इसका demand बहुत ज़्यादा prominent रहता है. So now let's talk about CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Yes, you heard it right, CFO. So CFO leads the financial department of any company. He basically deals with budgeting, your financial assessment, your strategic planning. If we talk about the salary part, so as a starting salary, you can expect 30 to 35 LPA. And if you have a good amount of experience, approximately 15 plus year of experience, you can even expect 1+ crore. Apart from that, if we talk about the top recruiting companies, so it's like your Tata, Deloitte, even we could say your Reliance, and there are XYZ public sector enterprises also. Apart from that, if we talk about the demand, so yes, it is increasing. As a CFO, you have the opportunities in the top MNC companies or even in the startups because they are also looking up for the people who can scale up their business and deal with their complex financial records. So yes, if you're looking for a CFO position, you can even go with it. So let's talk about industry demand and placement statistics. So our first point is job growth. So if we talk about this, then in India, the financial sector is expanding and we are expecting a projection of approximately 8% of growth in the financial roles like financial analyst, risk management, investment banking. Second, if we talk about the placement rate. So if you are a graduate from a top business school like IIM, ISB, XLRI, then you can expect a placement rate of approximately 90% in this sector. Apart from that, a starting salary in the financial field, we can expect approximately 12 to 18 LPA if you are doing it from a good and reputed business school. So yes, it does have a good placement record as a financial role. Our third is fintech. Fintech in India is booming and financial management role in these fintech companies is also increasing. If we talk about some of the leading fintech company right now is like Razorpay, Paytm, PhonePe. These are the companies and we are expecting the projection we are projecting it to rise by up to 20% in the near future. Our fourth is wealth management. With the increasing number of high net worth individuals in India, there is a high demand of financial and wealth managers also who will be helping them in managing their wealth. So, if we talk about the placement statistics and your growth in the financial management, yes, you do have a very good future in finance in coming future. Rest, if we talk about the salary statistics in the financial management in 2024, so we can take the stats as, if we talk about the financial analyst role, the entry level salary is approximately 5 to 7 LPA. For a mid-level, it's 10 to 15 LPA. For a senior level salary is 18 to 25 LPA. If we talk about investment banker, the entry level salary is 10 to 12 LPA. Mid-level salary is 25 to 40 LPA and senior level salary 50 LPA with bonuses. Financial planner, entry level 4 to 6 lakh, mid-level 8 to 12 lakh, senior level 15 to 20 lakh. If we talk about risk manager, entry level is 8 to 10 lakh, mid level is 15 to 18 lakh, senior level 20 to 25 lakh. Last, if we talk about CFO, entry level 30 to 35 lakh, mid level 50 to 80 lakh, and senior level 1 crore plus for top corporations. So this is the salary statistics of 2024 for the financial management. Last but not the least, let's talk about the educational and certification pathway. For undergraduate degree, you can go for bachelor's in finance, commerce, or bachelor's in economics. They basically provide a very good foundation if you're looking for a career as a financial manager. If we talk about the advanced degree, in that you can go for a MBA in finance. It is basically better for the people who are looking for a leadership role in a top MNC companies. And yes, if you have done your studies, your degree from a good premium top business schools, those students often land on a salary of between 20 to 25 LPA. So yes, you do have a very good salary package opportunities if you're doing it from a top leading business school. So अगर हम professional certifications की बात करें तो first is CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. It is a globally accepted certification. It is ideal for the people who are looking for a career in investment or profile management. Second is CPA, Certified Public Accountant. It is valuable for the people who are looking for a career in accounts or finance in good multinational corporation. Third is your FRM, that is Financial Risk Management. It is best for the people who are looking for career in risk management. Last is CFP, Certified Financial Planner. It is best for the people who are looking for career in finance planning or wealth management. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, do like and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe College Dekho and do hit the bell icon for more notification. And for more information regarding courses, colleges and exam, do visit our official website www.collegedekho.com. Apart from that, do follow us on Instagram, YouTube, so that we can fill your feed with so many videos and information. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Bye.